I'm gonna show you start to finish how we do these cool designs on coated aluminum. Let's go. So if you're gonna mass produce them, these are for one-offs. You're gonna wanna have a nice little template here that your laser you can just drop in and keep doing over and over. You can even do full sheets using the same method, so you can do tons of cards at once. But for now, let's do single card method. To get this cut line, we're actually gonna come over here to Inkscape. Inkscape's a free program. We are going to go ahead and press the R tool. That's gonna give us our rectangle. Just draw a little bit of a rectangle. Now, you can see mine's not filled in. Yours probably will be. So if yours is, go ahead and go to Object, Fill and Stroke. Over here in the Fill section, go ahead and press that little X that gets rid of the fill. In the Stroke section, go ahead and put black, and that's going to give you a nice black line there. And then for the stroke style, I have it at 1.023, around 1 millimeter is fine. Once you have that, all we have to do now, I'm just going to press the X and go select the select your box again. Okay, now for the width, we're gonna take out our calipers. These are digital calipers. You can go into inches or you can go into millimeters. Since we're working laser gerbil, we use millimeters, okay? Now, if everyone wants to zero them out, perfect, zero. Open up our calipers. Our card is going to be about 54. So we're gonna go just a hair over. We're gonna do 54.5. And then for our height, take your calipers, and this card is 85.8, so it's probably about 86. So let's do 86.5 for our height. So 54.5 and 86.5, and then just tab or enter out of there. Now we have that's our playing card right there. Now we're almost done. Once you have this right here, this cut file will work for all your different basketball cards, playing cards, these metal aluminum cards here. So let's go ahead and go to Edit. We're gonna go down to resize page to selection right there. Now that's going to go there. But now we want to go, mine's already there. If yours isn't, go ahead and put it at X0 and Y0. So now that'll be in the 0, 0 in here. One last thing, all you have to do now is just say File, Export. Well, where's our export? Right there. File, Export. Box comes over here. Go ahead and change where you're going to put your, so go ahead and click this box. This is where you're going to select where to put it, name it whatever you want to name it, and then press that export button. Now let's go over to Laser Gerbil. So in Laser Gerbil, you're going to go ahead and say File. You're going to say Open File. You're going to select the one you just created. I'm going to leave mine at 500, and then I'm going to put this, put it down to like 600, which is 60%, and then press Create. Now, when we come in here and we go to our framing button, it should be, well, it's already set up on mine. It's going to be framed in right around the size of a card. So then go ahead and press that play button, and now let's get ready for round 2. Okay, sorry guys, this is a little bit of a longer one. So now we're going to say File. We're going to get our card. I'm just going to say Open File. I'm going to go ahead and go to my downloads. We have this little tribute we did to Walker, Texas Ranger. We're going to pull it in. It looks nice, right? But since this is going to be a photo on metal, we're going to press this little invert button right down there. It's going to flip the colors. Now say Next. Now here's the magic, guys. On a black playing card, 7600 M4 Dynamic, 50%. Let me change that on my computer here, which is 500. There's my 54.5 and my 86.5. I already have that set up. I'm going to press Create. Now, all we have to do while that's loading is take one of our cards, put it just inside the outline, and once it's in there, press that framing button right there, and it's going to draw a beautiful line all around your card that is now perfectly framed every single time. So every time you do a new card, and then to press press play, it's going to engrave it. When you're done, take a little bit of a damp cloth, some isopropyl, wash it off when you're done, and you have these beautiful cards. You guys, if you need a beautiful caliper to help you with these calipers here are here on the TikTok shop. They're super simple. You have your on, off, you have your inches per minute, you have the 0 button, and it just really helps you to be able to gauge when you're laser engraving your size of your material and setting up your place. Another way these come in handy is when you start doing things like tumblers and stuff, you're gonna want some calipers or something to be able to get your outside diameter. You guys, if you have any questions on laser engraving, let me know. This is number 7, how to engrave awesome coated business cards, Pokemon cards, tarot cards, basketball, baseball cards, and all that kind of stuff. All right, I'm linking the calipers below if you need a good pair. Till next time, happy engraving. Peace.